Hey Neon, so today we have two special things today. It's so exciting. Shout out Unspeakable for doing awesome, and I'm a huge fan of him, so I decided to get juice blocks. Y'all saw it, I know. That's not all. I said I had two, so fruit blocks, juice blocks and fruit blocks, and I never tried these before. These are gonna be my first time opening it, and yeah, sorry for the cut. I'm gonna open these in fast mode, so yeah. Okay, I'm done. Oh my gosh. And we have a juice box to go with it, so let's already as well open this. Okay, this might take. Okay, we got it. I haven't tried it yet. This is, I think this is apple. Apple. Whoa, that's actually really good. Let's try strawberry. Whoa, that's actually really good. Now time for the juice blocks. Okay, I just opened the straw. Okay, this is gonna be my first time.